Can a prenuptial agreement be invalidated by reason of someone failing to disclose something? Well, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. Today, we're continuing our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. It's a very good question. Can you invalidate a prenup if someone didn't disclose an asset? Well, here's the thing. The prenup is designed to protect the assets of the holder before they get married. So they're putting in the prenup all the assets that they have, that they want included as separate property. If they fail to disclose an asset in the prenup, then it just becomes marital property. It might not invalidate the prenup, but it won't be protected by the prenup. That's number one. Number two, you got to realize something else. The main problem we have with prenups is not that somebody didn't include something so much as it is that somebody undervalued something. In other words, the concept of the prenup is that I've got a piece of property. I'm excluding your opportunity to get this in a future divorce, and here's what it's worth. So now you, on the flip side, can make a decision. And you can say, okay, I understand that. I understand it's worth $100,000. I understand that's what I'm giving up. I'm willing to do it. Now, if it turns out that at the time that they made it, it wasn't $100,000 that you gave up, it was $500,000, and they understated the value, well, the court can have discretion to pierce that and deal with it in a subsequent divorce on the basis that it's no longer fair. The court always checks equity. The court checks fairness. The court is going to look to see that parties were acting fairly with each other. The court doesn't allow coercion or unfair dealing in a prenuptial agreement. So you're going to have to consult your attorney to make sure that it's a fair deal, both if you're giving a prenup and if you're getting one, and you're going to have to be aware that you also got to watch the timing. A lot of courts have said when somebody's presented with a prenup and it's a week before the marriage, that's not enough time to get a lawyer to check it out, to consider the possibilities. It becomes, a rush job where somebody will say, okay, I don't want to jeopardize the marriage, so I'll sign it. And that's considered duress. So you got to be very, very careful about not only what's in the agreement, whether or not it's fully disclosed, but when the agreement is drafted and presented. If you have any questions about your case, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.
248-588-3333. 248